Hello, this is step 2. How to make the rings. As I explained, the side where the embossing pattern is clearly visible is the surface of the fabric. Fold the outer fabric inwards on both ends by 5 mm. From the outside, it looks like this. Here is the inside. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise, with the inside facing out. Pin it to hold the fold. Here is the same. Fold the end by 5 centimeters. Draw a sewing line 5 mm from the edge. Applying back stitching along the sewing line. I will speed up the video from here. Secure a knot. Let's flip over the fabrics through the opening. Now, we will add the fiber fill into the trim. Break the fiber fill to avoid lumps. Use a slim stick to push it. Start sewing from inside of seam to hide the knot of the thread. Fold the seam allowance of ends inward and apply slip stitching. Check out our tutorial video, Basic Stitches 10. Slip stitch. Stitch one of the fabrics and then move to the another side. Stitch the same way on the other side of the fabric. Do the same steps until you close up the seam. Secure the stitches with 2 nuts. Grab 1 or 2 fibers and make a small stitch where the thread is coming out. Lastly, insert the needle between the fabrics and push it in far enough. Pull on the thread a bit. Use scissors and cut the thread. Good work. Please repeat the steps for the other rings.